Now, you mentioned about if you went to Camp Crame, dalawang pwedeng mangyari. Based on the accounts in your affidavit, you were told na you will pinpoint a certain former senator, a certain presidentiable. Can you mention again the name of that senator and that presidentiable?
Your Honor, if you would allow me, I can write their names also. Your
Okay.
Honor.
So you cannot mention, Mayor? If I ask you, better you answer yes or no. Is it Senator Maroas, former Senator Maroas?
Yes, sir.
Oh, is it former Senator Drilon, which is your cousin?
Yes, sir.
Oh, ayun. So, Mr. Chairman, kaya ko tinanong yon kasi from the very start in the statement, affidavit of Mayor Jed Mabilog and these preliminary remarks, it is all about politics. It is all about politics. Kaya, yung Duterte's list, again, from the statement of Colonel Espinido, napakalinaw po na it does not gone through vetting and validation. Pagkalaban ka sa politika, nasa listahan ka.